up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Tuned Engines. As y'all can see right in front of me, we have something that's covered underneath. I'm pretty sure y'all can already guess from the design, but basically I'm gonna hang out a new motorcycle, and let me go ahead and show you how it looks like. Y'all ready? Take a guess. What do you think it can be like? Take a guess. What do you think it can be? Take a guess. Okay, let me go ahead and show y'all, guys. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Oh my gosh, it's so hard. Shoo! There we go. Alright guys, so this is my new 1800cc Harley Davidson Softail. My other one, my favorite one, is actually 800, but this one's 1000 cc's more. It's fuel injected, has an ECU, so everything is computer wise. We can connect it up with the port and everything. And something I really like is take a listen, guys. Take a listen. Ooh. So it's also fuel injected, in case y'all didn't know. So this is a fuel injected motorcycle, so no more with that carbureted stuff. We went ahead and evolved. And let me go ahead and turn it on for y'all so y'all can hear it. But yeah guys, so as y'all saw, Tuned Engines got another big upgrade. We went ahead and I got a new motorcycle as well. As y'all can see, it's a super duper cool black color, super shiny. So yeah, let's go ahead and start this video so y'all can see what we're gonna be doing on today's episode. Alright guys, something cool that this motorcycle also has is if I flick this switch, ooh, what's so? So it has some lights. It actually look really cool at night. But yeah guys, so big upgrade for Tuned Engines. Alright guys, so as y'all saw, we have a new freaking motorcycle on the fleet now. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is on this video is go ahead and do an oil change. So we're gonna go ahead and run to Harley and get some oil. We gotta use a Harley Davidson. Obviously we have a Harley Davidson motorcycle. Another thing is we're gonna go ahead and take it for a ride so y'all can see it and hear it and everything. We'll see how that sound comes out though, with all this wind and it's super freaking hot over here. So we have to go ahead and wait until it's a little bit more cooler outside, or when we're driving at least. Right now it's super hot. But yeah guys, so we're gonna go ahead and do an oil change on this motorcycle, maintenance, and then I'll tell you a little bit more info about this. Alright guys, so actually went ahead and made to a Harley, but it looks like they have like an event here as well. So I guess I was a little bit late for that, but oh well, see what we can do. Alright guys, so we're back from Harley Davidson. We actually went ahead and got the oil and oil filter. I also went ahead and got a black oil filter as well, since like the motorcycle is all black and everything. So now, the only thing that we're gonna be changing on today's video is the engine oil, because I was talking to like the service advisor over there, like they were over there having like a party or like a motorcycle meet, I guess you want to call it. And he told me that he would just advise me on changing the engine oil and leaving the primary and the transmission oil the way it is, given to like how new the motorcycle is and how like many miles it has. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna go ahead and change the engine oil. I have a 16, which I believe it's a 5/8 in standard, and we're gonna go ahead and take off one of the drain plugs for the engine oil and let it drain out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and let that drain. Okay, so I don't know how y'all can see this, but like it has a little magnet right here in the front, and like I don't see like any metallic or anything like that in here. It looks like it just had like some gasket material or something. It's all good though. So we're gonna go ahead and clean it up. All right, guys, while we wait for this oil to completely drain, now let me go ahead and tell you about something I thought that was really like interesting and weird. Whenever I first bought this motorcycle. Alright guys, whenever I was looking at the engine, like making sure everything was all good to go and like giving it a once over, inspecting it, something that really was interesting to me was that I saw that it did not have a radiator. So basically a radiator is like basically every car has it nowadays, like even back then used to have it. So basically it's for basically you put water in it so you can keep your engine cool during the summer, during the winter, anything. It's basically where you put coolant in. My other motorcycle has it, my freaking my 300K like Kawasaki Durabike has it. Basically something you need like so your motorcycle doesn't overheat. I'm not sure if y'all like saw this right off the bat, but as y'all can see, like it has no radiator in the front, nothing, which is really interesting to me because like especially like in this like Texas heat, I feel like it's gonna overheat. But ever since I got it, it's been like 2 months. It has not overheat on me once or nothing, which is I find really interesting and weird. And when I was talking to the guy at Harley, the one that was selling me all of this expensive oil, I'll tell you how much it is in a little bit. He was like, oh yeah, none of like our motorcycles have a radiator, they're all air cooled. I'm like, what? There's no way in the summer. I don't know what's going on, but I guess Harley guy figured it out. And something that's really interesting though. And also guys, another thing is that the last owner before me, he went ahead and put a oil cooler in the front. I'm not sure if I can see, it looks like a small oil cooler in the front, which I guess it also does help out and like keeps the bike more cool. But let me go ahead and tell you how much I spent. So basically, this oil right here, the Synthetic 3, it's Synthetic 3 because it's for the engine, the chain case, and the transmission. So basically the engine, the primary, and the transmission. 20W50, and this will, I bought this for $12 a quart. And like since I just need to do the engine oil, I needed 3. And for the oil itself, I paid like almost $50 just for these small 3. Like I know I can use some like Mobil 1 like synthetic, but I was like, you know what, let me go to Harley and get the actual right stuff that's needed. At least I got a cool bag for $50 or $60 actually. I got a really cool bag for $60 with everything, so I'm not gonna complain. $60 bag right there. So yeah, let me go ahead and put the plug back in, then go to the other side and then put the new one in and put new oil in this motorcycle. Oh, it does work. Cool. Then we can go ahead and take out this one. Cool. There we go. Now we can go ahead and put the new one in. We need to make sure there's like no leftover gaskets or O-rings. Let me go ahead and get my oil tightening tool, and we're gonna go ahead and snug it back up. Alright guys, so when I here and tighten up the oil filter, I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil in the motorcycle. Alright guys, so we're basically done with the oil change. Just making sure it's good one more time. Here, check again. Alright, that's good. Nice. Now we can go ahead and fire it up. Alright. Sounds good to me. No, don't see no oil leaks or anything. Alright guys, well I hope y'all enjoyed the video. As y'all saw, we have a brand new motorcycle. We have to put some Tuned Engine stickers everywhere so we can officially make it part of the fleet. And also guys, expect to see more of motorcycle videos. I'm probably going to see if we can take my dirt bike to the track as well, because I've been wanting to do that. And also expect more motor vlogs in the future as well. But guys, as always, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more content. Oh, and also guys, don't worry, the bike truck is almost done. We just waiting on one more part so we can go ahead and drive it, but it's super close, like 99.99999.2%. so we're gonna go ahead and wait until that for the next video. But as always guys, I'll see you all next time.